Welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today, we're back at Spotify Camp Nou, where structural progress continues across all major sectors of the stadium. From expanding anchor installations and sandwich panel milestones to the arrival of the fifth radial beam, there's serious movement happening around the site. Please like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It's free and supports our daily updates. Let's take a full walk around the stadium and break down everything you need to know. At the north goal corner, anchor installation has made solid progress. The left section leads with anchors confirmed across bracket zones and lower false ceiling areas. The right side still needs completion in its upper sections, and 2 additional sectors remain pending. Glass panels have been wrapped in protective cardboard. Painting operations are about to begin. Rock wool insulation materials are also being staged nearby, signaling the next phase of facade layering. Workers continue tightening and inspecting anchor points to ensure full structural readiness before slat mounting begins. Moving to the central north goal, 2 elevated platforms are working on the elevator shaft frameworks, showing strong advancement. Interior crews are preparing beam connections and checking alignment ahead of concrete base panel placement. Upper glazing zones display steady refinement work, with trim covers being adjusted and insulation gaps gradually closed. At the Tribuna corner, slat support brackets are staged and smaller chrome tubes have been delivered. Upper left sections still lack connection brackets before slat installation can begin. Tribuna brings the first major highlight of the day. A crane is lifting fresh structural components to the first cantilever level. The standout development is the sandwich panel installation on the left elevator structure. Both frontal and lateral faces are now substantially covered, climbing nearly to full height. Workers on elevated platforms are securing panel joints and sealing connection lines, transforming the framework into a nearly enclosed volume. Before continuing, please like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It's free and supports our daily updates. Now let's continue around the stadium. Heading to the south goal, an orange crane is being deployed for what appears to be beam and component installation across the elevator shaft structures. The central zone is relatively quiet with minimal platform activity, but the right side shows steady movement with workers handling andamio flooring components in the interior. Both elevator frameworks here are well advanced, and concrete base panels could be arriving in this zone soon following the same progression seen at Tribuna. Anchor tightening and bracket inspections continue in corner sectors to prepare for slat placement. The lateral section saves the best for last. The fifth radial beam has arrived and is staged on the ground, ready for elevation to the compression nest. This is a landmark delivery for the structural progress of the stadium roof. Alongside it, 2 phalanges are confirmed present in the mid-lateral zone. Sandwich panel installation on the right elevator structure is nearing completion, with only 1 panel on the left side and the upper sections remaining before this structure is fully clad. A newly constructed framework has been positioned directly in front of the sandwich panels. A compact protruding structure currently being finished by workers on site, though its function remains unclear for now. Upper cantilever zones show finishing work continuing around recently poured concrete sections. That wraps up today's full construction update from Spotify Camp Nou. Major structural milestones are stacking up, and the pace remains strong across multiple zones. If you enjoyed the detailed breakdown, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds for daily progress updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.